These are the elevators at the Medical Arts Center in Sarasota, Florida. Red Lantern. We're gonna go up to 4. I believe one of these is a mod and one of these is a new install. Here we are at 4. We're gonna go back down to 1. 2,100 pound capacity. The other elevator is bigger. This one's a Gen 2. Floor is pretty creaky. But pretty nice. Some of the lights on top are out.
Installed with additional anesthesia support. Hey man, how you doing?
There's the other elevator. Clearly a mod. We're gonna go down to 1. Here's your inspection certificate. And here's your cab view. Definitely a bigger cab. As I said, this one's a 3,500 pound capacity. The other one is only 2,100. We're gonna end it up at 3. Hi.
Have a good day.
You too. So we're pretty busy. See the it says Otis right there. There it goes. And that'll be it.